My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are staying safe at home. In our previous class, we studied about the sense organ ear. Today, let's discuss about other sense organs, nose, tongue and skin. Nose is the sense organ that helps us to smell. How does the smell of a perfume reach us? The molecules of the perfume mix with the air and reach our nose. Our nose has many nerve endings. These nerve endings detect the smell. Then messages are sent to the brain through the nerves. This is why we are unable to smell when we have a blocked nose.
So, how does the nose smell? When the molecules reach the nose, the nerve endings inside the nose detect the smell and send messages to the brain through the olfactory nerves.
Then next is tongue. Tongue is the sense organ that helps us to taste. We can taste sweet, salt, bitter and sour food. The surface of the tongue has many tiny bumps called taste buds. These taste buds have many nerve endings. These nerve endings detect the four main kinds of taste, that is sweet, salt, sour and bitter, and send messages to the brain. Then the last one is skin. Our skin covers our body and protects the inside of our body from dirt, germs and injury. The skin also has many nerve endings. Skin is very sensitive to heat, cold, pain, pressure and touch. This is how the skin acts as a sense organ. Some part of the skin has more nerve endings than other parts. Such parts are more sensitive. For example, the skin on the fingertips. That part have more nerve endings and so it is more sensitive. That's all about the skin. So we have completed this lesson. Now let's do the text exercises.
Open your textbook, page number 51. Section A, choose the correct options. First question, which of these does the brainstem control? Brainstem controls involuntary actions. So here, which is the answer? Yes, option D, breathing. Second question, which of these is not part of the brain? Which are the parts of brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. So here the answer is spinal cord. Spinal cord is not the part of brain. Third question, which part of your brain helps in balancing your body and coordinating all your muscles? Answer is cerebellum. Fourth question, which sense organ helps you tell the difference in size of objects? Answer is eye. Section B, fill in the blanks. First question, the brain, the dash and the dash make up the dash system. The brain, the spinal cord and the nerves make up the nervous system. Second question, the dash is the thinking part of the brain. What is the answer? Yes, cerebrum is the thinking part of the brain. Third one, the sensation of the pain is carried from the skin to the brain by sensory nerves. Fourth question, the portion of the eye that has cells sensitive to light and color is the retina. Fifth question, vibrations are converted to signals in the dash and sent to the brain, which helps us to identify sounds. Answer is inner ear. Vibrations are converted to signals in the inner ear. Section C, match the words in the two columns. Column A, first one, cerebrum. It matches with thinking in column B. Second question, cerebellum, balance and movement. Spinal cord, involuntary actions. Pupil, light enters the eye through it. Eardrum, vibrates when sound falls on it. Section D, unscramble the letters to form words. Then place them in the correct boxes in the flowchart. You have to rearrange the letters to form meaningful word. Then place them in the correct boxes in the flowchart given. So first one is brain. Second, muscle. Third, sensory nerve. Fourth one, motor nerve. Fifth one, spinal cord. And sixth one, it is sense organs. Now we have to place them in the correct boxes in the flowchart. Some clues are given there. A, control center. Which is the control center? Yes, it is brain. You can write there brain. Then B, can give commands without waiting for control center. It is spinal cord. C, transmit signals to control center. That is sensory nerves. D, transmits messages from control center. That is motor nerves. E, helps us understand our surroundings. That is sense organs. F, carries out action. That is muscles.
So we have completed lesson 5, the nervous system. Hope you all have understood this lesson very well. In this lesson we studied about the brain, main regions of brain and their function, spinal cord, different types of nerves and their function, what is a reflex action, and about 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Read textbook very well, study the notes. A test paper is attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. Let's meet in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you.